Hey, so we've got a Toyota Tundra here in the shop today. Factory taillights. And today we're going to be installing the Morimoto XP LED taillights on this army green Tundra. And we'll go over all the functions with you shortly. But really quick, just on the bottom, you've got the factory running lights. That's your parking lights along with a brake light. And on top is a turn signal. And in the corner right here, you got a reverse light. We've got aftermarket LED bulbs installed in those right now. And we'll show you how that all differs with the Morimoto XP LED tail shortly. All right, so as you can see, we've got the Morimoto XP LED tail lamp installed on the driver's side there. You can see what it does. It definitely has a good amount of red in it with those 3D bars right in the center, but it takes away that really bold full red look. And we've got the parking lights running right now. So it's got a semi-flat black housing internally, parking light LED strip right behind that reflector there on the rear. And we'll show you what brake looks like. And we'll do turn. So throw on the hazards. That's a great demonstration of how this setup looks. And back to parking light mode, and then we'll do reverse. So again, reverse is down at the bottom now. Reverse is sort of in the mid. And it looks like we've got 3 LEDs or so on reflectors. Actually 6, sorry. Thought it was a optical illusion, but yeah, they've got, looks like 6 LEDs powering up small reflectors for backup lighting. So that's really nice. I'll show you in a little bit how this all looks once it's all together. All right, so we've got it in direct sunlight now. Check out these taillights. They look perfect on this Tundra. It's got a lot of dark accents, the wheels, the rear, and the black housings look perfect because the lights aren't smoked. And a lot of the aftermarket taillights will have smoked lenses, which means it definitely lowers intensity and visibility of the lights. But these lights have a darker inner housing, something that you'd see on like a custom job. Technically, you can open these up, color match them if you really wanted to, but I think the dark works really well. It's a good contrast. And I'm gonna get close up with these nice 3D bars inside the lights. So we'll turn on the parking lights now. And these are really nice and visible. There's no compromises with the Morimoto setup. Let's see the turn signal. So again, this is the sequential turn signal feature on the Morimoto taillights. You can make all 3 blink at the same time if you want a standard function, but I think the sequential looks awesome. And amber taillights are definitely making a comeback. You see them on the Dodge Rams and some other vehicles, and I think it's really appropriate for this type of vehicle. And you can turn off the turns and just do the brake light. So when you hit the brake, those bars just get about twice as bright that they were on the parking light setting. And that's about it. Let us know below how you like this setup. If you need a set for your Tundra, we'll leave a product link below. And we look forward to hearing your thoughts. Thanks again, and please hit subscribe.